Welcome. In today's video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to delete a community picture on WhatsApp. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your device. Once you're in, look at the bottom of your screen and tap on the Communities tab. This will take you to a list of all the communities you're part of. Next, select the specific community where you want to delete the picture. Once inside the community, look at the top right corner of your screen and tap on the three dots. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose Community Info. Now you're in the community settings. Here, tap on Edit Community Info. This will allow you to make changes to the community details. Locate the current picture of your community and tap on it. When you tap on the picture, you'll see an option to delete it. Tap on the delete icon located next to the community picture. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure about deleting it. Confirm your choice, and just like that, the community picture will be removed. And there you have it. Deleting a community picture on WhatsApp is quick and straightforward. If this guide helped you, don't forget to share it with others who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.